Okay, let's go around. As you can see, one of the billboards has fallen since yesterday. Hey, on, Lizzie, cheers. We have green. So yeah, yesterday afternoon we went here and the billboard was still up. But yeah, apparently after that it has fallen and nobody came to pick it up, like firefighters. So yeah, yesterday apparently the strongest wind here in Slovenia was clocked at 66 kilometers per hour. I assume here in Ljubljana wasn't as strong as that, but apparently it was strong enough to topple it over. Yeah, it's Sunday afternoon at 4 p.m. on the dot. We had to go for the third walk of the day because this one was being very vocal for like half an hour, and basically she was, prancing between me and mom, who will move and take her out. And of course it's basically almost always my turn. Almost. Yeah, they will have her for a week. Oh yeah. Yeah, the suitcase is packed. Tomorrow I will go once through it. But yeah, basically we are ready. I just finished charging the power bank. You need it when traveling and you need to watch or I'm just watching if there is a dog on the other side, and it's not. If you want to, listen to music and these modern mobiles, well, they cannot handle all the consumption, which is, of course, if you are watching film or listening to music non-stop. Yeah, and of course then we are charging headphones and everything. And of course we have to charge this one. She actually lay down for like 15 minutes, like at 3 p.m. I said, okay, she's tired. Basically she hasn't eaten nothing today, well, except some treats, some roasted chicken, but well, she didn't eat anything, is she hasn't touched her breakfast. And yeah, one thing of when she's pejmo, ne bomo kuža. When she is suffering through her heat, she actually walks, quick. She wants to walk for a long time, and she's moving, not, for example, usually in the morning in 30 minutes we make about 2,000 steps. That's it. Today in the morning we made 5,000 steps in an hour. So she was moving faster than usual. And she would even walk more if I didn't have enough. I did it because people started to get up and go out for a walk, and I didn't want Liza to rile them up. Oh yeah. So currently today we have nice weather. Unfortunately, Romania, Poland, Austria, Czech Republic aren't doing they're doing. For example, in Vienna, I just read they had to shut down, suspend, or limit some of the urban subway lines because there is danger of flooding from the Danube, and plus I think there was also in Austria at least one fatality. So yeah. So while I was living in Vienna, there was like one weekend when there was quite a significant downpour. Fortunately in Vienna there was no problem, at least at my Bezirk district, but unfortunately we were flooded here in Ljubljana. So yeah, you never know. Yeah, hopefully next week. They are not saying, so far they are not saying that there will be any major, let's say, weather event next week. But yeah, forecast is basically rain non-stop. And for example, like half an hour before we went out, it was raining here for like 5 minutes. Yeah, hopefully, well, according to the forecast in Stockholm, it will be, well, there will be no rain. So yeah. Okay, we will land on this point.